Hi everyone. Today we're going to show you how to set up a mailing list on MailerLite for Payhip. If you're new to MailerLite, you can find a free trial link in the description. For current users, just log in and follow along with us. First, you'll need to create a Zapier account, which will connect MailerLite and Payhip. On your Zapier dashboard, click Create and select Zaps. If you need assistance, the Copilot can help. From the list, choose both MailerLite and Payhip. Then on the right-hand side, select the trigger events for each. To connect your MailerLite account, click Sign In and Log In. Repeat this process to sign into your Payhip account, entering your Payhip email and password when prompted. Once you've configured all your settings, click Publish, and you're all set. Before we finish this video, I want to invite you to a free training session on building your email list while earning high-ticket commissions. My team and I have been using this method to make over $3,000 in commissions while growing our list for free. If this sounds interesting, click the link in the description to sign up. Thanks for watching.